Some tips to help you lose weight. 1. Don't skip breakfast. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories and fat and also contain many vitamins and minerals. Eat raw foods that are high in fiber. 2. Eat regular meals. Eating at regular times during the day helps burn calories faster and reduces the temptation to eat foods high in fat and sugar. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods. 3. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories and fat and also contain many vitamins and minerals. 4. Get regular exercise. Regular physical activity is an important way to lose weight in a healthy way. Improve quality of life, increase energy, and improve self-esteem. 5. Eat slowly and chew your food well. Eating slowly and chewing food well is important for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Also, eating slowly allows satiety signals to reach the brain, indicating that the stomach is full. Acquiring this habit prevents overeating, favoring weight loss. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.